Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to make the very popular Burmese delicacy Khow Suey. It's a one-pot meal with noodles mixed with coconut milk-based chicken curry and garnished with crispy fried onions, garlic and many more flavorful ingredients. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do it right away and enable the bell icon to get notifications of when you upload. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. Take a large and deep pan and add 12 cups of water followed by 2 tablespoons of salt. Let the water get completely boiled. Add sufficient quantity of water and the pan should be deep and large so that there will be space for the noodles to get expanded. Now once the water gets boiled, add 400 grams of veg noodles. This can be replaced by egg noodles also. To this add 2 tablespoons of oil so that the noodles don't get stuck with each other. Once done, you should keep the noodles under running water, which is at room temperature, so that the noodles don't further get cooked and turn out soggy. And you must drain the noodles in a large colander, till the excess water and moisture gets drained off. Now the noodles are done, keep them aside. Now take a pan and add 50 grams of dry red chillies and dry roast them over a slow flame and cool in room temperature and grind them to a coarse powder and keep aside. Now take a pressure cooker and add half a cup of oil, and once the oil gets heated, reduce the flame and add quarter cup of minced garlic and saute the garlic. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and saute them until they turn light brown in color. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and cook for some time till they turn light brown. Now add 1 cup of minced onion and saute the onion until they turn golden brown in color. Now to this add roasted and ground red chilli powder 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of Chinese salt and half a kg of chicken should be added. This is with the bones. Never add boneless ones, add only chicken with bones and cook for some time. And add about 200 ml of water and 1 teaspoon of salt and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now to this add 1 liter of coconut milk and mix thoroughly and cover with a lid and place the whistle and cook till the chicken gets cooked perfectly. Now it's done, you can see. Switch on the stove now and let the gravy get slightly thicker. Mix 1 tablespoon of gram flour with quarter cup of water and add it to the curry. This will thicken the curry, that is why we are doing this. Now the gravy is ready, you can keep aside. Now take a pan and add quarter cup of oil. And once the oil gets heated, reduce the flame and add quarter cup of minced garlic. And cook the garlic till they turn light brown in color. Now you can add roasted and ground red chilli powder 1 teaspoon. This should be done over a slow flame. And add quarter teaspoon of Chinese salt to it. And add half a kg diced chicken, boneless. And you can cook over a high flame. To this add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And cook for some time. You should never add water at all. The water present in the chicken is more than enough for cooking the chicken. And add half a teaspoon of salt and cook for some time. Cook till the chicken gets cooked completely. See that they don't turn hard. The chicken should not be hard. See that it is cooked well and soft too. Now the chicken is ready. You can keep aside. Now take oil for deep frying and fry 100 grams of sliced garlic over a medium flame. Fry till they turn golden brown in color. Now using a colander, drain them and keep them aside. Now fried garlic is ready. Just keep them aside. And in the same pan and oil, add 200 grams of sliced onions. And you can mix the onions with some salt so that they turn crispy. Before frying, you can just mix with some salt and you can fry. Now you can see they've turned golden brown. You can remove them from the oil using a colander. Drain them well and keep aside. Now our caramelized onions are ready. You can keep aside. Now we have the noodles ready and the coconut milk curry and shredded cabbage and lemon wedges, caramelized onions, fried garlic, chopped coriander leaves, chopped mint leaves, roasted and ground red chilli powder, salt, fried chicken, and boil and dice eggs. All these are ready. Now we can mix everything in a mixing bowl this way. Now all done. Mix everything thoroughly. Mix with the noodles. If you want to add more of the curry, you can add. Now, yummylicious, flavorful, and authentic Burmese Khow Suey is ready to be served. Friends, please try this recipe and write your feedback in the comments box. Thank you very much with lots of love. Sana Kuram.